What you need to know at the beginning of training. First, you can do training standing or sitting. The main thing is to keep your posture straight. If you are sitting, your legs should be uncrossed, back straight, shoulders back, and head straight. Be sure the first time to do the exercises in front of the mirror. This is how we self-correct. If it's inconvenient to perform exercises and look at the mirror at the same time, I advise you to film yourself from a camera. Personally, I found it more beneficial to filming myself. It was very easy to see the mistakes. Also, you can do the exercises lying in bed, but it is only in the case if you are in 100% sure that you are doing them correctly. Regularity. You don't need to spend 2 hours once a week trying to catch up what you hadn't done. It doesn't work like that with the facial muscles. You need a little bit, but consistently every day. Better in the morning and in the evening. Regularity is the key to success. Take before and after photos. Why it is so important? When we see ourselves in the mirror every day, the small changes that happen to us from day to day are difficult to notice. We get used to our reflection in the mirror, so after a while, it is difficult to realize the full scope of the change. But if you compare the photos with the time-lapse of 2-3 months, you will be amazed. Without makeup, without creams or oils, only dry skin and clean hands. If you have oily skin type like mine, I recommend you to do the exercises immediately after face washing. Positive mood. You don't need to do this if you are in a hurry somewhere, if someone is distracting you, or if you don't believe in this method of training from the beginning. It happens that some exercises are easily done, others are very difficult. A week or 2 passes, you get upset and stop. Don't rush. Just imagine for 30, 40 or 50 years your facial expressions consisted of your standard emotional gestures, and here suddenly you want to change the direction. Of course, it takes time for them to begin to function like other muscles. If your aim is to say in 2 weeks, "Yes, I knew it, it doesn't work," well, it will be your case because you don't put an effort and energy into the training. Do it when you really want it, when you really need it, or you have an interest on it. I wish you good luck. Working on yourself always gets results, and I will be glad to see your reviews and photos. See you!